Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a square, and basically we are going to learn about a triple digit square. I know you are very much comfortable with single digit, digit and as well as in triple digits also. But today my Sappu is going to explain through Vedic math how you can solve the question quickly, because during your exam, or if you are writing any entrance exam for any competition, so times matters a lot. So through this technique you can squeeze your timings for another question. आप सेव कर सकते हैं, you can save your timing for rest of the questions. तो Sapu is going to explain. I will just write over the board. Sapu is going to explain how to solve. Sapu, are you ready?
So we all prefer two-digit square and one-digit square over three-digit square. So one thing I'd like to tell is that this method is not solving the three-digit square. It is solving the one-digit square and two-digit square and some extra things and just adding them up. You'll understand when we start. So let's begin.
Let's begin. Okay. So question, are you going to frame or should I frame?
Ma'am, should we start with 274?
Sure. So I'm sharing here whiteboard. Okay. So question is number 1. Question is 274. Okay. Square. Now what I have to do?
So between 27 and 4, we have to split here.
Okay.
And we have to find the square of these two. Like the square of 27.
Split and 4. Chal. After that, what I
So
have
we
to
have
do?
to find the square of this.
Square of this. Okay. So first for 27.
We have to find the square of this by multiplying 27 into 27.
Right.
So
Okay.
there are two methods for like 27 into 27. For first, you can do the normal school method, or you can do another method, which will be in the comment section. You can check that out, or you can do the normal school method. Anything is fine. So let's continue.
Okay. So 7 sevens are
49.
49. So I am writing here 4. Again, 7 twos are 14.
7 twos are 14.
2 sevens are 14. Okay. Now we have to add. Okay. Next, what I have to do, Sapu?
You have to add these.
Okay. So what we will get after addition?
After addition, we will get a 2 here.
Total here it will be
equal to
32.
totaling is 32.
32.
And we will get a 2 here. 3 will go into carry.
Carry. Okay. 2 twos are 4.
4.
4 plus this
Plus 3 is 7.
7. So this is the square for 27.
Yeah, this is basically another method. You can do the normal multiplication, but this is another method which
So
will be in the comment section.
We can go for normal method also, no issue. है ना?
Yeah.
That each and every
I just
child
don't want
should
you guys to get
understand.
confused. It's
Yeah.
just solving in a different way.
Yeah. So 7 sevens are 49. 4 carried. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now cross. 2 sevens are 14. Carried 1. 2 twos are 4 plus 1. 5. So 9. 8 plus 4 is, of course, 12. 1 carried. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we got the same thing. 729. Right? So now
Yeah.
I am.
And then we have to also find the square of 4.
4. So let me erase this. So our square first we need to write here 729. After that Here what I have to write?
We
Square.
have to find the square of 4, which
Okay.
is 16, because 4
16.
4s are 16.
Done. Next step.
Then we have to multiply 27 into 4.
27 into 4. Okay. Acha, can we
So this here, these two numbers, 27 into 4, we should multiply and we should double that.
double?
But here is a little sneaky method. You can instead multiply this into 2 rather than multiplying 27 into 4 and multiplying that into 2. You can rather multiply 4 into 2 and multiplying that with 27. That will be much faster.
Much faster. Exactly. So first we will go for say double methods. है ना? Both methods.
Yes.
So
So we have to
27.
multiply 27 into 4, which
4.
are the two separate digits which we divided of 274.
Right. So 4 sevens are
28.
28. 2 carried. Huh? 4 twos are 8. 8
Carried
plus 2.
2. And then 108.
108. Again with this 2.
And 108 into 2.
2.
Not the square of 108, but into 2.
Into
108.
2. This 2. So basically 20 here I will write 27 into 4 into 2. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So 2 8s are 16.
16.
1, 2 ones are 2. Done? Acha. Now, as my Sappu was telling that direct we can calculate, it will be faster. 4 twos are 8. So 27 into 8. If we do 27 into 8, we will get the same thing. 216. Same thing. Okay. Now with this 216, what we have to do, Sappu?
Now,
Yeah.
we have to once again split 216.
Okay. How? Where I have to write?
So, this is 216. And 216 should be split. Just like how we split the first number, 6 and 21 should be split.
Okay.
So over here, there's a cross because we are not supposed to do it here.
Okay. Now,
And we have to put a 6 here.
below 1, right?
Right below 1.
Below 1, I wrote 6. Below 9, what should I write?
And now below 29, we have to write 21.
21. Done. Now what I have
You
to
have
do?
to always remember this because
Yeah.
you should not like write it here near the on the cross. You should never write it there because the answer will come wrong. So you should
Yes.
always write under 1
Very good.
and write 21 in under the ending.
Right. So now next step is what? Plus.
Now just add this and you'll get the
Add.
answer.
Okay. So 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 9 plus 1. 10. Carried 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1. Of course 5. And 7. Okay. So because first time if you do, you can think that it is so messy or it's time taking. But actually not. We have taken so much time because we are explaining step by step. If you do practice, you can solve this question faster than me, much faster than me. So now second question, can we do for fast? Sappu?
So there is one doubt that
Yeah.
we that like some people would have raised a question about. If we do like a number which is ending with 2 or 3, like suppose the question was 272 instead or 273, then
Yeah.
2 2s are 4,
Yeah.
3 3s are 9.
Right.
It comes only one digit.
Yeah. So for that, how to do, right?
Yeah.
Hai na? So, okay. Now I am going to erase. No, oh, no need to erase. We will solve here only. Hai na? So, okay.
Yes.
So the next question, Sappu. Question number 2.
So we'll go with the example of 102.
Okay. 102. Square of 102. So same process now. Okay.
Yeah,
So
same
can we
process,
make
but
it fast?
listen up, guys, because this might be a little confusing.
Yeah. Okay. So of course, as my Sappu told, I am going to split the number here 10 and here 2. Splitted. The form of square. Now 2 2s are 4. 10 10s are 100. So 100. Sappu, next step beta.
And then find the square of 2.
2 2s are 4.
4.
So can I write only 4?
No.
Yes.
It's 0 4.
What should I write here?
0 4.
0 4. Very good. Now what to do?
Now you might be thinking 4 and 0 4. It's the same thing, but it
Same.
makes a huge impact in this.
Exactly. So now what is
Because the number which we get, we write it under 0. Not
under 0? Correct. So now next step, 10 into 2 into square, or direct 2 2s are 4 and then 10 4s are. Either you can do 10 into 2, 20, then this 2, so 40, or direct 2 into 2, 4 and into 10. So it will be the same answer you will get. और जैसा सप्पू ने बोला ये थोड़ा faster method है. Okay, now I got 40. So 40 for below 4 cross, below
Cross.
0 this 0, 40 का ये 0 I have to put it over here below 0.
और
Okay,
4 को carry करना है.
done. So now 4 0 4 0 1. This is the answer. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So अब एक और
So,
question.
but this might be a little confusing to get it the first time. So you can either repeat the videos, like seeing it again and again. This way you can perfect and then you will see huge results. It will be much faster. So this is a huge advantage. Like ma'am said, in competitive exams, this can help you do much faster. And that's something that's very important.
Okay. So can we do one or two more question? है ना? That with speed. I think now children,
Yes.
है ना? So children
Yes.
should realize that how fast they can do. है ना? Oh, I'm
Yeah. So we
sorry.
can do it a little fast.
I erased. I'm sorry. What was the question? 102 square. Na? Method we already did that. Split and then how to do. No need to remove Sappu, leave it. Let them learn, let them
No,
see.
yeah, well, let's redo it and
Let's
let's
redo
do
it.
it faster.
Okay. The same question. Same question we will do little
Same question.
faster. Yeah, good idea. So now 10 tens are 100.
100.
100. Okay. 2 twos are 4. 0, 4. Now 10 into 2 into 2 or direct 10 into 4. 10 into 4, of course, 40.
Okay.
Done. Plus, cross, don't forget, 4, 0, 4, 0, 1. Done. So,
That's it.
that's
It was less than a few seconds.
Few seconds. है ना?
And the explanation might have taken quite some time.
Yeah.
But it's because we were trying to explain.
Exactly.
But now you can see how fast we could do it.
Yeah. Now we will change the number, Sappu. है ना? Because might be
Yes,
they might think that this was the easiest number, so that's why it was faster. Okay. So
okay, let's try one.
Another question. है ना? Little hard. Chalo. So with number, Sappi?
Let's take 304.
304?
374. 374.
Okay, done. Good. 374. Okay. So now फटाफट split ये हो गया.
37, 4.
Okay. Now
Divide
37 का square करेंगे. Okay. So simple.
37 into 37.
Yeah. So 7 sevens are 49. 4. 7 threes are 21 again plus 21. 21 plus 21 42. 42 plus 4 46. So 6. 4 carried. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 4 13. So this
So
is the
13. Yeah.
13. Okay. So this is the square for 37. So here I am going to write this
Now
should not
find the square of 4.
4. So 37 का square आ गया 3 1 3 6 9. Now 4 का square कितना आया 16. Okay. Now 37 into 8. 37 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 5 carried. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 5, of course, 29. So now cross. Then below 1, you have to write 6. This 6. And below 9, again, we got 9. Below 6, we got 2. This number. Okay. Now we have to do addition 6. 7. 9 plus 9, of course, 18. 1 carried. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 1, 9. And 13 as it is. See. Suppose how much time we have
This is
taken?
how fast it can be.
Yeah. Suppose how much time we have taken?
Barely a minute. Few minutes, maybe. But same thing if you go on a long process,
Hmm.
take much more
No,
time.
I think
And that's
we have
very time
taken
taking.
1 minute. I think we have taken only 1 minute.
Yeah.
है ना?
One
1
and a
minute.
half minute easily.
1.5 minute. Okay. चलो और फास्ट करते हैं. और फास्ट करते हैं. Another
Yes.
question. One more.
Without too much explanation, we'll do it.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. Without any explanation, now we
Because
will do.
explanation will distract and make it slower.
Yeah. And then our children will say, ma'am, you said it will not take too much time, but it is taking too much time. Now, without any explanation, we will do. Yeah. Question number 4. Sapu, what is the question?
175.
175 square. Okay. 25, 5 5s are 25. 17 into 17. 9 and 4. 7 and 7. 7 plus 7, 4. 18. 8. 1
218.
ones are 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, of course, 2. So, 2,
It's 289.
89. And here is 25. Now, 17 tens are direct because we are doing direct. 17 tens are 170. So, 170, of course, below 5, no nothing. Below 2, 0. Then 7. Then 1. 5, 2. 9 plus 7, 16. 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. And done. Suppose,
Yes, ma'am.
are we right? Any confusion? Did I do any mistake in calculation?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Correct?
I checked it.
Okay. So, dear children, please go through our video and practice because math is
And see our explanation again and again because it'll be hard to memorize at first, but once you learn the method, it'll be much faster for you guys.
exactly. So, can we say thank you, Sapu, to our viewers?
So that's it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one.
Thank you,
Thank you guys for
everyone.
watching and sitting for so long. Thank you.
Thank you.